Welcome to Digital Foundation, the show that dives into the tech that powers our world. Today, we are unpacking the essential systems that drive online education and web content. We are talking about e-learning, that's any form of learning delivered through an online platform where you can access video, audio, or text at your own pace. Using your laptop, tablet, or phone, the two giants making this happen are the LMS (Learning Management System) and the CMS (Content Management System). I'm your host, Ling Na, and I'm joined by our learning expert, Peggy, and our web development specialist, Adlina. Welcome. Okay, Peggy, let's start with the LMS. If e-learning is the delivery, how does the learning management system serve as its backbone?
The LMS is the central space for the education and learning to create, store, and organize their material, management assignments, and monitor the process. For instance, our children's LMS Google Classroom started in 2014 and has quite involving addition major features like the Classroom API, Google Calendar integrations, and a scientific redesign in 2018 to improve gradings and content organizations.
That rapid evaluation shows how critical it is. What are the key features and importantly, the main drawback of using the tools like Google Classroom?
The core features is easy class corrections and management. Educator can add class details, invite students with an auto-generate codes, and manage multiple classes at once. The advantages are clear, it's easy to use, accessibility from all devices, and perfect for mobile learning. The main disadvantage is difficult announce management. It requires a Google Apps for education announce means users often cannot log in with their personal Gmail, which can be troublesome.
That's a key distinction. Now for the market number, let's talk scale. What are the ground breaking statistics for Google Classroom and what's the main challenge for developers?
It's all about skills. As we move through 2025, Google Classrooms is the daily hubs over 150 million user worldwide, spanning 213 countries. Its commands only 9.36% of the global LMS market. Security is spotted as the second most used LMS. In terms of challenges, a web development must consider integrations with external tools. While it works great with Google products, ensure smooth integrations with other third-party platforms is critical.
Excellent breakdown. That's the LMS, the backbone of learning. Now let's pivot to the web, the content management system. Adlina, what is a CMS and how did it come to dominate the internet?
Okay, actually, SMS help user create, manage, and publish digital content, think, text, image, and video. Without deep coding skill, its history is fascinating. Sites in the early 90s were hand-coded. By the 2000, open source platform like WordPress and our chosen CMS, Wix, boom. Today, they are the standard for simplicity and efficiency.
What are the major trade-offs developers face with CMS like Wix?
The advantages are no coding required, easy content update, and great SEO and scalability. The primary cons are that they can be slower, and if they are unmaintained, they pose security risks. Also, depending on the platform, you can run into vendor lock-in and ongoing hosting costs. Wix is a giant. The platform has over 272 million registered users worldwide and is a leading player in the DIY website market, shaping nearly half of it in the US. This success relies on its core feature, being a robust IaaS platform where you get the software, hosting, and security all in one using a simple drag and drop editor.
Finally, what's the most critical factor that should influence a web developer's choice of CMS?
It's balancing feature with flexibility. You have to consider the website's purpose, blog, e-commerce, or corporate, and ensure the CMS offer the right mix of ease of use, customization, and scalability for long term.
Fantastic insight. We have covered how Google Classroom is scaling online education to 150 million users despite integration hurdles, and how Wix is dominating the web creation market, empowering 272 million users with its no-code feature. Understanding this system is vital for anyone stepping into the digital space. Thank you both for joining us on Digital Foundation. Thank you for your listening. Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.